This is Carrie from Introspect Life Coaching here on Soul Scribble. What an interesting message this is from the last scribble. The prominent J shape on the head and the wrapping around almost like a blanket. The figures and the images speak incredible messages. And this is what I'd like to convey to you today. So thank you for joining me. I hope you find this helpful. The J actually symbolizes hands, our divine power. It speaks of self-determination, wholeness, infinite potential that lies within each of us. We are naturally born intuitives. We are naturally born leaders. How we choose to use those gifts vary depending on our purpose and the path that we choose. Surrender all your pain and let it go. It's time to start again. Miracles are manifesting. It's important to be cautious of those who do not have your best interest at heart. And you know who those are. Prosperous times lie ahead. Increasing outcomes as you overcome your biggest obstacles as you move ahead. Be faithful to your dreams, your work, your purpose, and who you are, in gaining your freedom and independence on your quest and your journey. Have patience, use your strengths as you gain wisdom and apply your knowledge that you've learned. There is a fire and a passion that surrounds you. It encourages you to continue to find that passion, to take risks that will help you to strengthen and empower your awakening and as you transform. As you heal yourself, you can help others heal. This creates balance, harmony, peace, prosperity, and change on a universal conscious level, as in the present physical moment of now. I hope that this has helped you to understand how powerful you are, the power that you hold within yourself to create the changes that are necessary for you to enjoy life to your fullest. This life is an adventure. It is a journey. It is a quest. And finding and unveiling your purpose is part of the whole journey. And when you find that purpose in those little nuggets that are given to you along the way, it is very important to also share that with others in whatever way that you see fit, whatever way brings you joy that is helpful, that comes from your heart in a good place without any expectation or anything in return. Divine purpose is to heal humanity, to heal one another, to love and support and